Hello. Today's new thing is this UVS, a vacuum drying oven. This equipment is designed to dry transformer insulation. Solid insulation is known to be the most important component of transformers, and its dielectric parameters directly depend on the degree of moisture content. Modern transformers are complex systems which contains materials requiring special servicing, including the temperatures of operation. In this machine, this is addressed by implementing soft heating and uniform distribution of heat throughout the volume of the chamber by internal air circulation. Of course, dehydration is further intensified by the vacuum system. The main operation mode of this machine is automated. The operator simply sets the required process stages and temperatures. Process duration, and vacuum. Note that in this modification, the machine can be fully controlled manually. Apparently, in principle, the oven can be used to dry not only transformer insulation, but can be modified for other processes. This could include soft drying of powders, granules, dyes, medicines, semiconductors, PCBs, and other electronic components. In one word, vacuum drying is always necessary where a product or a material requires delicate handling and where there is a risk of damage under high temperatures. We appreciate new ideas and dialogue. Let us know which design solutions you think successful. How reasonable is the installation of the control system redundancy? What advantages does infrared heating system has compared to heating air with electric heaters? Which part of the process could also be automated in your opinion? See you at our website, www.globecore.com. Bye.